All right, let's perform sentiment analysis in Microsoft Excel using Copilot. So I have this column here, sentiments, and I have this key phrase here. To do this, I'm just going to type the Copilot function like the normal way we usually write functions such as sum and the likes. So Copilot, then I prompt it just like ChatGPT. So right now, I've categorized my sentiments into this three categories: good, bad, or normal. So whatever text that is here, this AI is going to work with it. So let me just type categorize this text into the following. Then I select the text I want, I lock it, comma, then I put in the text, which is this one. So then enter. So our Copilot is working now. You can see normal. So we can see it's categorized in it right now. So where is everything now? So here is it. I don't know why this one is showing spin, although it's still in preview. So then let's perform the key phrase extraction. Now we have our key phrase and we have our sentiment analysis in Excel. So this is still in beta features. So